Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine and must be taking good care of yourselves and your studies as well. Today we'll start unit number 3, that is a poem. Try again. The title of the poem clarifies the theme itself. It says, in spite difficulties, you should keep up trying again and again till success. Dear students, you must have heard the story of King Robert Bruce and the spider. The king was defeated by English army. He hid himself in a cave. There he saw a spider trying to reach its cobweb. It tried again and again, and in ninth attempt it reached the cobweb. The king got a lesson of try again and went back. He fought bravely and won the battle. In the same way, in this battle of life, we face many problems, but we should not surrender before them. Rather, we should try again and again till we succeed. Let's read the poem. This poem is written by W.E. Hickson. Stanza number 1. 'Tis a lesson you should heed, try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer. Never fear, try again. 'Tis means this, heed means attention, for here means because, persevere means firm or steadfast, conquer means win. In the first stanza, the W.E. Hickson is giving an important lesson on which you have to pay special attention, and that lesson is try again. If you don't succeed at first, never mind. Gather your courage, be firm and stick to your cause, and don't be afraid of failure. You'll definitely win. You just have to try again. Now, you will see a question in the box with stanza number 1. What is the question? What does the word persevere mean? It means to continue doing something in spite of difficulty or failure. Is it clear? Stanza number 2. Should I take a start? Once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. Though we did not win the race, what should you do in that case? Try again. Though means although. Prevail means dominate. Strive means struggle. Disgrace means insult. In this stanza, the poet is encouraging us by saying that if you get failed once, twice or thrice, a time will come when you will be dominant. You must continue doing your best to be victorious. If you lose the race in the first attempt, what should be done? Will you stop doing effort? No, you should not. Instead, you should struggle hard, as trying again and again is the only way out in such a situation. The question in the box is, if we strive, it is no disgrace. Explain the sentence. This sentence actually teaches us a lesson. Life is a name of struggle. A man keeps trying despite of repeated failures. If we keep on striving and doing effort, it is not a matter of insult. Rather, it is a passion that keeps all human beings active and alive. Stanza number 3. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view. Try again. Folk means people. Patience, tolerance. Here Hickson says that if your task is difficult to do, never be afraid. Try to do it again. A time will come when you will get the reward for your efforts. As you know, hard work never goes unrewarded. If rest of the people can do that task, why can't you do? Just be patient, have tolerance, take your time, and always keep the golden rule of trying again and again in your mind. You will be the winner. Now you can see the third question in the box with stanza number 3. What is the question? Why is the poet repeating the sentence try again? The poet is repeating the sentence because it is the central idea of the poem. He is stressing the message of being steadfast in life in order to get success. Success always comes through repeated efforts. Students, I hope you all have understood the explanation of the poem. Here comes the summary of the poem. I am going to read out the summary and I'll explain the difficult words. You have to learn the summary by heart as this summary is provided in your notes. This question carries 5 marks in your subjective type paper and there is no choice in this question. So do focus the learning of the summary. So should I take a start? The message of the poem is universal. The poet W.E. Hixon is of the opinion that when the world says give up, hope whispers try it one more time. Whispers means sargoshi karna. One should keep up trying again and again to achieve success in life. W.E. Hixon opines mean he is of the view that if you don't succeed at first, you should learn the lesson of trying again. You should have courage and continue doing your best to be victorious. Victorious means successful. Never be afraid of failure. Keep trying. Your successive failures, successive means repeated failures, if you are failing again and again, should not make you lose heart. It is not a matter of humiliation. Humiliation means insult. To strive means struggle. If you lose a race in the first attempt, trying again is the only way out in such a situation. The hardness of your task demands you to try again. In this way, time will serve you with your reward. You should follow other people with patience and value the rule of trying again. The notion of the poem is nothing but vital. Notion means nazriya. Vital, important. The language of the poem is simple and lucid. Lucid means clear. W.E. Hixon's style is appealing to the readers. Now we have summed up with the summary of unit number 3. Here comes the vocabulary of unit number 3. I am going to read out the words and the meanings one by one. Universal means worldwide for all. Whisper, low voice. Opines, gives opinion. Victorious, winner. Afraid, fearful. Successive, consecutive or continuous. Humiliation means insult or disgrace. Value, give importance. Notion, idea. Vital, important. Lucid, clear. Appealing, attractive. Is it clear? Now you have to learn this vocabulary by heart. So students, let's take a start with the question answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is the lesson taught in the first stanza? Yes, the lesson taught in the first stanza is try again. We should continue doing our best in spite of difficulty or lack of success. Question number 2. What can we learn from failure? We can learn the lesson of success and victory that comes from incessant effort and hard work. How is failure not a disgrace? Failure is not a disgrace if we don't resign and keep struggling, as failure is a key to success. Question number 4. How many times should we try and why? We should try as many times as possible because it is the only way to win achievement and victory in life. Question number 5. What should we do if we find our task hard? If we find our task hard, we should try again as time will bring us our reward. Give an example of struggle from your life. I firmly believe that life is struggle. Since the very first day of my life at school, I have been struggling and striving in studies. Sometimes I have faced failures and sometimes I have found hard to study. But I have kept my struggle incessant. As a consequence of all that, success has been to my way. Got it? Now you have to learn these question answers by heart. Now students, here comes your task. You have to learn the summary by heart, as I have told you that it carries 5 marks in your subjective type paper and there is no choice. So do focus the learning of the summary of try again, and it is quite important as well. And then comes the question answers. You have to focus the learning of question answers, question in the boxes and comprehension both. Do focus your studies and your learning. Wish you best of luck.